Friends, myself Justin Paul with a new video. Today I would be explaining you how to do inheritance in a class. So I would be first creating a class restaurant meal that holds the name and price of a food item served by restaurant. So and then inside that I will be creating a constructor which initializes all the arguments. Then I will be creating another class hotel service which holds the name of the service fee and the room number to which the service was supplied. In this class also I will be creating a constructor which initializes all the arguments, and then I will be creating a class room service meals that inherits from both the above classes, that is from class restaurant meal and from hotel service it inherits. So and then it should have a constructor which assigns the string room service to the name of the service and $4 to the service fee, and then I would be including a display in room service meal that displays all the fields in a room service meal by calling display functions from the two parent classes, and the display function should display the total that meals plus the room service fee, and then in a main I'll be instantiating a room service meal object that inherits from both the classes. So I have included a header file that is hash include iostream, and then hash include string, and then hash include stdio, and after that using namespace std which is a standard library. Here I have created a class restaurant meal in which I have declared two variables, food name and price, as for in private scope, and then in public I have declared a constructor that is without arguments and one is with arguments. So restaurant meal, in that I have given two arguments, that is string name and float post, and then I have given both the values to food name and price. Then I have the getter function to get the price, and then in display function I am getting the food name and food price and displaying the food name and food price. After that, I am declaring another class which is called hotel service, and in private mode, I have declared three variables, that is string service, float service fee, and in tune number. And in public, again, I have declared two constructors, one is empty constructor and one is parameterized. In that, I have given parameters string serve, float fee, entire number, and then I have given the variables to the values to service fee, and room number, and then I have used a getter function to return to get the service fee. And here in display function, I will be displaying the service fee, and the room number. And then here we are doing the inheritance. So class room service meal, and publicly it's inheriting from the restaurant meal, and publicly it's inheriting from the hotel service. So it is here the inheritance concept comes. So all the members which is public, it will be available in the public scope of this new class. So in this public, I have declared the constructor in which I have given all the parameters which is required for all the classes. And then in the display function, first I will be calling the first display 1 and display 2, and then in float time I will be putting the getters, and then in float time get fee function, and then I am displaying the total cost m plus n, and then in main function I am declaring a variable called room, string variable food name, integer food price and service fee, and then another string which will be storing the service type, and then here I will be asking the user to enter the room number, the food name, and food price, the type of service which he or she needs, and then the service fee, and then I am storing it all in the variables like room, food name, food price, and then service fee. And here I am declaring an object of the class room service meal, and I am passing the values room, food name, food price, service type, and service fee, and then I will be calling the display function so that it displays all the variables. So I will be running this program and showing you how it executes. So here it's asking enter room number, so 106. The food name I will be entering it as Maggie. Then food price, suppose if I put 45. Enter the type of service, let it be room service. Then enter the service fee, let it be 100. So the details of the hotel service, that is food name is Maggie, food price is 45, service is room service fee is $100, room number is 106, and the total cost, that is the service fee plus the food price 45, which is being displayed here in total. So the real life application of this program is it is very useful in the hotel management system. So we can store all the values, and then we can have a billing system attached to it, so that it could be helpful for the hotel peoples to manage all the data. So I hope you understood the program. Thank you for watching my video.